Hi, Easy Massage Chair is happy to present to you the Infinity 8500 X3. You may already be very familiar with the 8500 model, which is one of the best-selling models ever. Now we have the upgraded version. So not only do you have all the great full-body features, full-body massage features of the 8500, now you have some upgrades to in the X3 version. Most notably, you have 3D massage. So we have a separate video that shows you the benefits and how the 3D massage actually protrudes out further or can be made to be very gentle. So 3D massage, the top upgrade in the 8500 X3, it has Bluetooth, so you can play music from it. You can also control the chair. Instead of using this remote, you can use your phone. Then there's an upgraded stretch mode. So as you can see, this is the decompression stretch, one of the favorite features of the 8500, a big fan favorite. This time the stretch goes even further back, so it's what it does is it pulls your feet down while arching your back and pulling your shoulders back. It's a great feeling if you've never tried it before. If you have tried it, you know what I'm talking about already. So in a nutshell, that's the 8500 X3. If you have any other questions about it, because there are a lot more features and benefits that we haven't covered in this brief video, you know how to contact us. You can either call us at 888-612-8862. Thank you.